Back here at the abandoned parking garage. Ran two 4-inch pumps yesterday and a 3-inch. Had 36 inches of water through the whole parking garage. Got everything pumped out. Got it to where some pumps back running. Here's the lower level. I guess the building structurally failed. So they're gonna tear everything apart. They have all these trusses supporting the lower and upper levels. Still some standing water. Pretty wild. I think they used to race go-karts down here. Some electric go-karts. Find a path. Go up through here. It's a maze of support trusses. Guys, they're here. So I had another sump pump running. Part of one. I think there's a ramp. Yeah, here we go. So now we're going into the second level. Duck through here. Yeah, there's all these electric go-karts just abandoned. Pretty wild. There's some catering equipment. So then here's the second level. Same thing. Just a maze of support trusses. And this will take us back to the staircase. Yeah, I think once they tear it down and build a new parking garage over top of it. There we go.